Dex. How are you, sweetie? Good morning, Wiley. How are you doing? What are you doing? Good morning, honey bun. How you doing, Wiley, this morning? Believe me, they're not starving. That's not why he's biting me. He does this only on mornings, early mornings. And he doesn't let me pet Dexter usually. I mean, Wiley. Dexter? Wow! Look at this. Look at this. Look. Dexter? Stop, buddy. Okay, you're not being, Dexter, he's not being nice. Like, he's grabbing my hand with his paw and biting me. Look, did you see that?